we go with Shiela. A little update on her. She has an engine. Has a Y8 engine. Distributor was pulled apart, so guessing that was the problem. Maybe the shop didn't know how to fix the issue. VTEC solenoid was taken off. I just released a lot of oil all over the place. I put a test distributor that I keep. I keep a few distributors on hand just to test with. I had some jumper harnesses keep in stock, so I was able to go to OBD1 to OBD2 so it would match the head. Just put 3 cups of water in there. As you can see, the oil is pretty black. I pumped out a little bit too much, probably about a quart. That's why it's not on the dipstick anymore. Went into my VTEC stash because we needed a seal. This one's still hanging on there. It's plugged in there. So we're gonna start her back up again and see how it runs. But as you remember, I just picked Shiela up and 91 Civic Hatchback, and somebody put a PO6, wired everything in really nice. I'll just get right to it. Still got the 4-speed shifter from the STD model. There she goes. See a vacuum leak. Still running. Looks to be running pretty good. Got a vacuum leak right here. Must be hitting a rev cut, $3 grand. Suspect, there's some other issues. I don't see any bubbles. So I'm wondering why this car was parked. This could easily be a nice beater car for somebody already put together. Alright, more updates later. Alright, here we go. This is our first test run in Shiela. It's got some kind of... Don't die, little girl. Oh, that's right, it's got a vacuum leak. Ooh. We got brakes? We got a little bit of brake. Oh, we got brake. Sheila's alive! Ooh. There's second, third, fourth. Is that fifth? I think so. Whoa, we got brakes. Ooh. Go, Sheila, go, Sheila. Go, 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 Sheila. Sheila's not dead. Oh, not that stick. Ooh. Ooh, I didn't sound good. Oh, Sheila is alive. Oops. Oh,